how to find Bank of America routing number. Hi everybody and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to provide you with routing number for Bank of America, and it is not same for everyone. It depends upon the state that you have opened your account and the type of transaction that you're looking for. So what we can do is we can head over to bankofamerica.com for that and log in into our account if we're not logged in. Click on login after you enter up your user ID and your password and head over to their portal. Once you are logged in, you can go to your account details, and once you are headed over there, go ahead and look for option called account and routing numbers, this one right here, and you can just go and click on it. Once you click on it, display pops up where you will be finding your account number and your routing number, and here you can just go over and see your routing number there. Otherwise, on your check also you should be finding your routing number. Sometimes you can just go over and look out for it, and it's the first 9-digit number that is available on it. You can look out for bank statement as well and it will show it. And routing number are 9 digits. Using the wrong one can delay the payments. Always confirm with your bank if you're unsure. And that is it, everybody. We hope this video was helpful to you. Give this video a like and subscribe for more.